All right, Dr. Travis Kendall here from Texas Sedation Dental and Implant Center. So we've always done free smile giveaways, but it's been more in our local area. This year we decided to open it up to the people who follow us on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and we put it out there to have people make videos. We had hundreds of people apply. We had 15 to 20 people actually make videos, and we're excited to show you Caitlin, who we chose, who was absolutely amazing. She's going to tell you her story, and then we're going to kind of show you step by step how we take someone like Caitlin and absolutely transform their life, give them a new life with a new smile in less than 24 hours.
With Caitlin, when she was born, of course to me she was no different than her big sister. When she turned 3, we went to the dentist, and that's when we found out she had a lot of missing teeth and cone-shaped and wide-spaced teeth, which I knew would affect her throughout her life.
So I have a genetic disorder called ectodermal dysplasia, and it affects my hair, my teeth, and my sweat glands. My teeth have been affected my whole entire life. Having ectodermal dysplasia, obviously the odds were against me when I was growing up. I didn't really realize that I was different until I got to middle school. I was made fun of my whole life in school. It was hard.
She was shy growing up. She always kept her hand close to her mouth, so if she was going to laugh or smile or anything, her hand would go right over her mouth.
There was a point where unfortunately I didn't even want to be alive anymore, but we have came through that. It wasn't until I had a little girl with my same disorder that I realized that she's so perfect, and all the things that I didn't like about myself all this time are now so beautiful to me through her.
I was almost 3 when my mom brought her home from the hospital, and I knew then she was going to be my best friend. She was my whole world. To watch her get bullied at her.
One day she had come home from school. She told me she couldn't do this no more. She said, "Mom, I've been bullied. I'm going to quit school." She said, "I just don't want to live no more." And I said, "Well, what can I do to make it better?" And she said, "I don't ever want to go back to that school." So I come home and I packed us up and we moved 4 hours away.
Anybody that takes the time to get to know her, she has the biggest heart.
You just had the chance to be Caitlin's friend. I mean, you need to take it because she's the one that's going to stand by you through thick and thin.
She's funny. Nobody can make me laugh like she can. She's competitive, and when she wants something, she sets her mind to it, she gets it. And I think that's part of why we all were so emotional when she won this giveaway, because she was trying. She was working hard to get to her goal. And I told her, any money I have, I will put toward her teeth.
Before even the giveaway started, she makes tumblers and cups. We was already saving up.
She worked her tail off to earn the money she did. She won the giveaway. She could have had that money because it could have got us here. Would have still went toward her teeth, but she refused. She went on and she said, "No, I want I'm sending everybody's money back. And if you want to send it toward the trip, that's fine, but I want you to know where your money's going toward."
We've seen many and many dentists. They didn't have a plan. They didn't know what really to do. She had braces twice. She had a couple of partials. They wouldn't last as her mouth grew. She just got tired of them and she took the partials out. The last price we got, they said it'd be $42,000. And she's like, "We're gonna do it." And it wasn't, 2 weeks? And her friends were calling saying, "Look at this giveaway, Caitlin, you should enter." And she's like, "No, I'm just gonna do it myself." And she called me and she told me about it. And I said, "Well, Caitlin, I mean, it don't hurt to try." And she won.
She called me later and she said, "Sister, I'm gonna have a smile for your wedding." And then I lost it. I called my fiance and I was like, "My sister's gonna have teeth and I don't care because she's beautiful."
Yeah.
But she's gonna be proud to stand up there and smile and have, the dress, romper, whatever she wants to wear on, and she's gonna feel comfortable and confident, and I can't wait. So
I'm not saying she deserves it more than anyone else, but
Yeah.
she deserves it.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
thank you all so very much. Y'all have been so kind, and the flowers and the calls and just everything. Y'all have been such a blessing to all of us.
this is a true blessing.
I've prayed for this since I was just a little girl. So I'm nervous, but I'm super excited. I'm excited to eat Reese cups again, and I'm gonna have a birthday cake on my birthday this year with my kids. So I'm excited to finally be getting that dream come true.
This place is amazing. For our whole family, this is answered prayer. Here we are. I mean, she's getting the smile of her dream. I have prayed for this her whole life. Just for her confidence, just for her in general, her health, her to be able to eat anything she wants, not to have to take that Snap-on out and hide it in a napkin and put it to the side every time we go to eat. Yeah. And we're just so thankful. We are beyond thankful. Even though we done surgery yesterday, I'm still having a hard time believing this, you know. She's my baby. She's always been beautiful inside and out to me. And yeah. She's always shined for me, but today, she's really gonna shine. Yeah. We're probably not gonna be able to wipe that smile off her face, and that's okay. I've waited for this day for 25 years. I've waited for today. I don't know if she'll ever stop smiling, and I don't want her to.
All right, so Caitlin, how long has it been since you've been happy with your smile?
Never.
Take it off and show your new smile.
Oh.
She hasn't seen it yet.
Oh, you're so pretty, baby.
I prayed for this forever. We made it.
We made it.
I love it. Thank you.
Wow.
You bet. I'll be your turn one day.
Never had bottom teeth. You guys are awesome. The whole team, everybody.
It's life changing, but like not only for my life,
Oh.
my whole family life and my whole extra family, everybody.
It is perfect. I can't believe it. And they're never going to come out. They're permanent.
Give us a smile.
Doing the best they can. I came in a little bit nervous, and about 20 minutes after I got here, I was asleep.
What are you at right now, pain-wise, day after surgery?
A little tender, but probably like a 1.
That's not unbelievable.
That's great. That's great, because I was nervous.
So, thank you so much for sharing your story. Thank you for being committed to yourself and your family. Just, maybe make small refinements, but I think we pretty much nailed it from the get-go. They look amazing.
Grateful for y'all.
You're welcome. Thank
So
you for
grateful.
taking care of me. You did great, buddy. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was a long attention span we had going on there. That was great.
Good boy.